Across Australia's 10 million homes and 2 million workplaces, there are countless reasons why we're here to keep our country running. When you need us, we're always there and always on. From our bustling cities to remote rural towns, we design, construct, operate, maintain and energise the essential transport, telecommunications and utility infrastructure that enables Australia to thrive. We keep our roads safe, communities connected, taps flowing and lights on. And if there's a storm, fire or flood, we're here to help. Partnering with our clients, we deliver the services that communities rely on every minute, because what keeps Australia going is what keeps us going. With decades of experience, people that care, and the right technologies, we're by your side and on your side. Service Stream, always there, always on.